welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be this is my current Buster Dran status. You see this is broken. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, see, it's broken. But my friend, he broke his Buster Dran by losing his screws, and he gave me the blade. So we are going to be fixing the Buster Dran to bring back Buster Dran. So that's that. We have this chip with this Buster Dran's emblem, and this we have some screws. We have some screws, 2, 3. So let's just start right now. See this? You have to keep the chip. You have to keep it from back. You have to keep this like this. See that? Then you go from down. You keep this right in the position. Reverse. See, flat. It has to be flat. Keep it like that. Yes. Now you just keep the screws. It'll take some time. We'll just give in time to get the second one. And then time for the third one. We just need to tighten it. And we have officially fixed Buster Dran. Just look at this. It's brand new. It looks brand new, except for this sticker. Look at this, and look at this now. Thank you, Aryan, so much for giving me this, and I had a chance to fix my Buster Dran. Just keep the ratchet and all. 160 ratchet, and then the tip. There we go. We have officially fixed Buster Dran. Hope you enjoyed my fixing montage. I saved money. So hope you enjoyed our video. This montage brings back brings back many memories, and I hadn't shot those memories, but we have had many battles between this Dagger Dran versus Buster Dran. We couldn't record all of those battles because, as you see in Buster Dran's last video, which is Buster Dran vs Dagger Dran, it broke because